Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. Today is Wednesday and I've had a fairly slow start to the week. Yeah, I say this because on Monday I took two losses yet again, and this is beginning to look like a pattern because last week Monday I took two losses, and the previous, I think the upper two Monday, the upper week Monday, I can't really remember how the trade went. I think I took a small win. Yeah, but last week Monday I took two losses, and yes, sorry, day before yesterday Monday again I took another two losses. So that's something I may need to look into. Yeah, because if you are noticing some regular patterns in your trading, and even if it's regular patterns, you need to study these things so you know how to adjust for a better result. Yes, so I'm monitoring how next week Monday goes, and depending on how it is, if I see this pattern for complete 3 or 4 weeks, then I know that I need to probably maybe stop trading on Mondays or do some adjustments. Yeah, so that's how it is. I took losses on Monday, and those losses were on pound NZD and Nasdaq. Yeah, and I will tell you the reasons why I took those trades later on. Then yesterday, Tuesday, was a very good day for me. It could have been better, but I'm very much happy with my results yesterday. I took NZD USD in the sell direction, and it actually went well. I was able to bag a three arrow from that trade, which is really really good. Yeah, so and that was able to recover all my losses from Monday, and also remember I took two losses on Friday too. So and that was also able to recover the was one loss from Friday. Yeah, so I'm just somewhere around I'm 1%, I'm still 1% down on my BOGO account. That's the phase two account. Remember, I already crossed the phase one account with 8%. Yeah, then my funded account is still up. Yeah, just after that win yesterday, it's hovering somewhere around 4%, which is very, very good. Yeah. Then my 10K, my old 10K account, yeah, after getting to break even, it went down again after those four losses to 4% down. I've been able to bring it back to somewhere around 1% in drawdown. Yeah, so I hope that I'll be able to get good trades this week so that we can move this account a bit forward. And speaking on that, I already found I've already seen a good opportunity on Euro USD and NZD USD. And if there's a reason for me to enter these trades this morning, of course I will take the trades. And also remember my payout day is on Tuesday next week. Yeah, so guys, stick with me. I would want to initiate this payout with you guys, so you see how FundedNext pays their traders. Yeah, so just keep on following, and there's no way, as it stands now, there's no way I'm not getting a payout on Tuesday. So it's either I get a huge payout or a little payout. Not little per se, because my threshold will be $100 as it stands now. I have my balance is 180 something. Yeah, so even if I take if I decide to take one trade per day until Friday, because Friday will be my last trading day. Yeah, you guys already know how Monday deals with me these days. So I've been taking back-to-back losses on Monday. So I would not want to open any trade next week Monday when knowing fully well that my payout is on Tuesday. So Friday, this Friday is my last trading day for my funded account. So guys, stick with me. I will be making a live withdrawal on Tuesday. Yeah, and as my account is around $187 in profit, this as we stand now, if I get like one or two good trades this week, maybe one today and one tomorrow, that account could be around $250, and I'll just hold off there. Remember, when you make a withdrawal, the prop firm collects around 20% of the payout. Yeah, so if I am able to push this account to $250, what it means is that the prop firm will collect 20%, which will be $50. Yeah, 20% of $250, that's $50. Yeah, so the prop firm will collect $50 from that $250, and I will have $200 as my payout. Yeah, which is for me is very okay. Yeah, because this is a very small account. Remember, I can decide to trade it. That's put more risk on the line and get more payouts. If I trade 1%, on these accounts like I do on my challenge accounts, I would be receiving $400 by Tuesday. Yeah, but that's not the goal. You need to, as a trader, you need to be professional about what you do. So the goal is not to take more risk, but to have a larger account. Yeah, so after this 5K account, my next target is a 100K account, and you can imagine how massive that would be. Yeah, so if I receive a 100K account, if I'm able to get a 100K account, maybe by the end of this year or beginning of next year, then right now I'm talking about a 5% payout on my current account, which is 5K. So imagine this 5% payout was on a 100K account. That would be how much? I think that would be $5,000. Yeah, so a $5,000 payout on a 100K account. Can you imagine? That's after 3 weeks of trading. That's really, really massive. So the goal should always be to increase your funding, not your risk. Yeah, so if I receive a $5,000 payout on a 100K account, that's going to do a lot, especially in Nigeria where I live. And then imagine that I keep on doing this every 2 weeks and I'm receiving something in the range of 4%, 5% payout on my 100K account. That's very, 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 very good. And I can even decide to, of course, I will raise, not I can decide to, I will raise the account. I will be going, next year, my goal is to go for a total funding of $1 million. Yeah, so and this is very possible because you could max out FundedNext at I think $200 or $300, FTMO $200 $300, then one more prop frame that would be like $900 or maybe $1 million. So there's a lot you can do with taking little risk, which I advise that you shouldn't neglect. All right, so that's it for now. Let's go into the charts. Let me show you the trades I took and how my FundedNext account is doing.
Alright guys, so this is Pound NZD, my first trade of the week. Yes, so although we can clearly, this is the 4 hour time frame, we can clearly see that the pair just broke out of this large ascending channel. Yeah, but even after making this lower low here, because this is one low that is higher than this, so this is a lower low. So after making this, I expected that we could see some bullish move to this, we test these levels before dropping. Yeah, and that was one of the main reasons why I was interested in taking this trade. So if we go to the 1 hour time frame now, we can see this small ascending channel which I drew here, and you can see that it has bounced off this channel a few times. And from this level, I was still expecting that move to the upside, because here you will see some bullish candles which show that the market should at least get to this high, even if not this higher place. But I was looking at this level because of this previous resistance around these levels. Yeah, but even after giving me those clear bullish candles, the market just melted down and hit me out as stop loss. Yeah, so this was the first loss I took for this week on Monday. That was yesterday. So that was the day before yesterday. Yeah, and I noticed that Mondays have been bad for me, because last week also I had 2 losses on Monday. Even though I ended up the week with profits, I had a loss. I had 2 losses on Monday, so maybe that's something I need to watch out for. Yeah, but this was a loss on day before yesterday, Monday, and as you can see, even after breaking this channel to the downside, it has been crashing since then. Okay, so the next trade I took was, and that was 1 hour loss here, by the way. So the next trade I took was on Nasdaq, and I didn't really think there was a very solid reason to take this trade, except that it's on a bullish run, as you can see here. Remember this trade I took last week, Wednesday, I think, either Wednesday or Thursday. I think this was Thursday trade. I got a 1 to 4 from this trade. So I was expecting that this bullish move will continue, especially after drawing this support resistance line and seeing that the market was still trading above it. As at this is 1 hour time frame, by the way, as at this level. Yes, so I was still expecting some more bullish actions, and then we had this bullish candle as well. This is 1 p.m. on Monday. So we had this bullish candle, so I just felt it was going to continue. Then on the 15 minutes time frame, yeah, so we have higher lows here. This is one here. This low, this is higher than this, and this is higher than this. Not very high, but at least still higher than it. And so I felt that the move was going to continue, and we have higher highs as well. Look at this. So maybe I should use a trend line to show this. So look at this. So you can see that there are higher levels. This is higher. This is higher than this. This is higher than this. So I just felt it was going to continue, but I was wrong again. So I was wrong twice on Monday. Yes, so and then you can see what happened. It just melted to the downside, hit me out with such ferocity. I wish this was going in my direction. It would have been very nice. Yeah, but and that's how I lost out of that trade on Monday. So at this point, my account was already my BOGO account was 4% down. Yeah, my other 10K account which I'm trying to raise was also 4% down, and my funded account was I think 2% down. Yeah, because I use half the same half lot size for my funded account compared to the other accounts, the challenge accounts. Yeah, so that's how I lost out on these two trades. Then yesterday I took this NZD USD trade, which I think I've been tracking this for a while. NZD USD had toyed with me several times in the past last week and the previous week. Okay, not last week. I didn't take this one, but I took these ones. So you can see that it has toyed with me in the past. And so when I saw this yesterday, on the 4 hours time frame, it looked like what was going to continue in the bearish direction. Yeah, because here we can see this quick channel I drew here, and then we can see that from the long run it's in a bearish move. So I expect that the bearish move will continue, but I was just a bit skeptical because sometimes this just pretends as if it's going to continue and then hits you out again at stop loss, which is what I've been suffering from in this level at these levels. Yes, so and here we can see okay, I already established the reason why I wanted to sell this market. Then on the 1 hour time frame, you can see this clear channel. It's bounced off it a couple of times, and then you can see this break of this counter trend line as well. So those are the reasons why I was heavily invested in this trade. Yeah, you can see this. You can see it clearly from here. You can see that these are already forming lower highs and lower lows. Yeah, so and I entered after this. Okay, I also was interested in seeing this horizontal level break. Let me just quickly draw a line around there. I was interested in seeing this horizontal level break. I can see, as you can see from here. Let me get this tool. So as you can see from here, there is a touch here, there is a touch here, and there is another one just below here. Yeah, so this was resistance for me. Yeah, even though maybe not so strong, but it was resistance for me, and I wanted to actually see it break before I enter this trade. And with this big red candle here, it broke. This candle here with this big red candle, it broke, and then the next green candle went back to do a retest, and that was when I got into the trade. And when I got into the trade, my stop loss was way higher, somewhere around here, but it's only when the trade started moving that I now reduce the stop loss. So yeah, and then after some good move to this level, you can see that after some move to this level, you can see that the market went back again to retest this level that was initially broken this same day, this same Tuesday, that's yesterday. So we went back to retest it with a couple of pin bars. And even though I was still skeptical at this point because NZUSD has really played with me in the past, so even when it went back to retest this level, I was still skeptical. But I just held my nerve, and then we saw this melt down. And so I was able to come out with a 1 to 3 on this trade, which is a nice one. So the moment I started seeing these retracement candles, I just closed my trade, and that was how I came out with the 1 to 3 on this trade. Alright, so that's it for the trades I've taken so far, Monday and Tuesday. Today I hope that I'll be able to get some more trades to add more profits to my account. Let me quickly run into my FundedNext account so you can see how it's doing over there. Okay, so this is my FundedNext account. Oh, and by the way, BOGO offer is back. You guys remember this BOGO offer? This is the offer that got me one free challenge account. That's this particular one that I'm trading right here, and is in phase 2 now. Yeah, so this was the offer I used to get it, and I think it's back. I don't really have that. I don't want to use out of my own pocket money to purchase the next challenge. By the way, the next challenge I will purchasing will be the $100,000 challenge. Yeah, and I wouldn't want to use my from my own account to purchase this challenge. I would actually want to use from the profit I get trading these accounts. Yeah, so that's by the way. Okay, so these are my accounts, and on the phase two account, I'm currently in drawdown. This is a 1% drawdown, but on my funded account, I'm still in profit. I've actually protected this profit, and I believe I'm going to be. I know that I'm going to be making a withdrawal on Tuesday next week. Then this is the 10K account, which is I think this is almost 2% down. No, this is 1% and a little, maybe 1.3 or 1.4% down. Yeah, so this is as a result of the losses I took on Friday and on Monday. Yeah, but after yesterday's trade, I was able to come up a bit, so that's fine. All right, so I would go into this account, my funded account, so you can see what the trades I took and all that. I trade the same pairs on each of them, on all three of them. So whatever I see on this is what is happening on the other two. So I'll go into this now. Okay, so this is my funded account, and as you can see, it's $186 in profit. Yeah, and 10 trading days, and my payout eligible date is 19th of November, which is Tuesday next week. I'm really looking forward to that. Okay, and that's all that there is here. I think I should go into I'll show you trades that I've taken this week. Okay, so this is NZD USD. This is pound NZD, sorry. The first trade I took this week, I ended up in loss. And then remember, I'm risking 0.5% on this account, so I took $25 loss on this trade. And then this is Nasdaq again, the same yesterday. I took another $25 loss on this trade. Both of them summing up to a 1% loss. Then this is NZD yeah. So this is NZD which I closed yesterday with $50. And then the same NZD I closed with $13. So I had two positions open for this pair, and I already explained my reasons for taking this trade earlier. Alright, so let me quickly show you my equity curve. Yeah, this is also a very important information. And the last time I shot a video, I think the last video I shot, my equity curve was somewhere around here. And then on Monday, I took this loss. Oh, sorry. On Friday, I took this loss. This is 8th of November, 8th, yeah. On Friday, I took this loss. And then on Monday, which is yesterday, I took another loss, which is what you see here. But on Tuesday, yesterday, I was able to raise this account again back up. So before Tuesday next week, I'm looking to see how I can raise the account way above this level, although my target is 250. So I will stop trading this account on Friday. If I can get this account back up to somewhere around 250, I will stop trading on Friday. Wherever the balance is on Friday, I will stop trading because I'm expecting my payout on Tuesday. And with the kind of bad records I've been having on Mondays, I wouldn't want to open any position on Monday on this account. So by Friday, we would see how much I'll be withdrawing on Tuesday. Okay. I think that's all I have for now. Thanks for following me on this journey. If you have people that are interested in learning forex, learning how to pass challenge accounts, please share this video with them, and also like guys, please, because when you like you help more people find these videos. All right, until we see again, I think the next video I'll be shooting will be on Friday or Saturday. All right guys, see you then. Bye.